Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G14 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset, or other name force restart operation, will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly. So for example, it does not respond to your touches and you cannot do anything. So you can try to force restart the system. And in order to do that, we have to press the power button, which is located on the right side of our device right here. And we have to press it long enough until we will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button. And as you can see, in my case, it is also assigned to the Google Assistant. So let's simply ignore everything, and as you can see, we've got the black screen right now. I felt the vibration. We can see the developer's logo right here. I hope that you can see because it is a little bit pushed out, but that's okay. We've got the developer's logo, which simply means that we just successfully restarted our device, and after turning it on completely, it should work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.